A great resource for language arts and reading teachers is teachingbooks.net. To access teachingbooks.net, you will begin on your Clever page. You will then search for the Destiny Library Manager icon. You will click Log in with your directory. You will find Seminole Middle on the left-hand side and click. Make sure to log in on the top right. You will use Broward Clever SSO to log in on the left. It will then now take you to the dashboard of Destiny. You will now check Catalog on the top menu. You will move to Destiny Discover on the left-hand side menu. On the Destiny Discover page, you will click on Library Media Resources. On this page, as you scroll down, you will go to teachingbooks.net, and depending if you're using this resource at home or at school, you will use, depending on either way, the access to teachers.net. Because I'm at school, I will start using school access. And this is where you log on to teachingbooks.net. You can search your book that you're teaching, and let's just say I'm doing Oliver Twist. It will give you two different formats, and when you click on the book, I will pick this one. It's a graphic novel on Oliver Twist. It gives you some resources to which ones they are. It tells you about the authors. It gives you lesson plans and so forth. I'll go back to the original Oliver Twist and we will see different resources. It gives you the grade. I might have an audio excerpt. And all these things here, a vocabulary list, some book recordings, all those are great resources for language arts and reading teachers. I hope you will use teachingbooks.net to help you with your reading lessons.